Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on percentage profit worksheets. So this video presents two slides on the topic of percentage profit. And we've got some interesting problems here, everyday examples that occur in different stores. So if you're not sure how to proceed, on the last slide there is a link. If you press the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So I'll leave each slide on only for about 1 minute. You can pause the slide for as long as you like. So I'll leave this slide on for a minute before I go to the next slide. Okay, I'll go to the second worksheet now. If you need to keep this one on, just pause it. But I'll go to the second worksheet now. Okay, I'll go to the last slide now. You can pause this video at any time, including this slide. So the last slide has the link to a lesson which explains how to do these if you need any help. I hope you went well with these.